All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are doing another challenge video. Both Berkley, one is the Gulp. This is not a Gulp Alive, it's just the Gulp, but the baits are soaked in there, that whatever scent. This is the Emerald Shiner, by the way. I'm just getting ahead of myself here. I'm Davis, this is the Flopping Crappie channel. We do a lot of challenge videos like these. Today, both Berkley products, one is the Gulp, Berkley Gulp minnows, and the other is the Berkley Powerbait. Now the Berkley Powerbait package doesn't have any, doesn't have any scent that it's soaked in. These are, I guess, dry, you want to call them dry baits. These ones, the Berkley Gulp, they're actually soaked in some sort of scent, and they do dry up after a certain amount of use. So the challenge is going to be a 10-minute challenge, just like the slab sauce versus G sauce. We're gonna do 10 minutes with the Berkley Powerbait, 10 minutes with the Berkley Gulp. I haven't seen any other crappie fishermen use the Powerbait. Richard Jean, I've seen a couple different other YouTube crappie fishermen use the Berkley Gulp minnows, but not the Powerbait. Not that I've seen anyway. I'm sure they have, and I just haven't seen the video yet, but we're gonna start off with the Berkley Powerbait. We're gonna do 10 minutes on the clock. I hope I'm recording, yes I am. And then we'll switch it up 10 minutes with the Berkley Gulp minnows, find out who the winner is. I am over 27 feet of water. These crappie are just, they're suspended all over the place. Like, there's no rhyme or reason for these crappie to be here, to be honest with you. I was actually driving between spots and I saw a bunch of them on the sonar. Like there is absolutely no reason for these crappie to be here. They're just suspended 5 feet off the bottom. No purpose. There's no rocks. It's like muck. It's not even sand. There's a mid-lake hump, but that's probably 100 yards away. And then there's brush piles probably 400 yards away. So I don't know. I don't know what their deal is. It's okay. So there we go, guys. That's what they're so far down and they're moving so fast that I don't know. I can't quite get on top of them, and that's okay. So we're gonna start 10 minutes on the clock, please. This is the Berkley Powerbait, and they're both, I wanted to get both the same pattern. They're pretty darn close. Black emerald shad, and then this is considered, what is this? Well, this is black shad, but they're pretty darn close. I couldn't find an emerald color for the Powerbait, so what are you gonna do? All right, 10 minutes on the clock. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. 4:12 at the start, 14:12 to end it. There we go. Right below the boat. Right below the boat, right there. Whoa, bingo. Man, they're deep though. I actually caught a few crappies. Some are decent. I caught a couple 10, 11 inch fish. I also caught a couple 3, 4 inch fish. So I don't know what we're gonna catch today. I really don't. Hopefully it's some more 10, 11 inch fish plus. Oh, had them. There they are, right below the boat. Whoop. Don't get it caught in the trolling motor. That wouldn't be good. There he is. There's the first one. Yeah, 6 inch fish. Well, there's a bunch of different schools down there, so hopefully we catch some bigger ones here. But that's fish number 1 for the Berkley Powerbait. No scent. We'll call it no scent. I don't really think there's a whole lot of scent on it, but. Oh no, he had it too. There he is. Ooh, tighten up that drag. It's a little bit better. Okay, he's about an 8 inch fish. Not what we want though, but there's fish number 2. Come on, big old 12. Oh, dang, I missed him. These are soft bites. There he is. Fish number 3. Oh, come on. There's just so many schools on the bottom here, kind of roaming. Trying to get the right one here. I don't want to just do a numbers challenge. I actually want some decent fish. I know they're down there. I've caught them already today. What in the hell? There's some fish. There we go. Come on. There he is. Fish number 4, and it's still a dink. Oops. 12. Oh. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. We got 4 fish. Well, it's no scented. It's non-scented, so wasn't expecting much. Man, this is tough right now. 1, they're dinks. 2, they're all over the place. They're not locating onto anything. I'm just trolling around with my 2D. Oh, there they go. They're right under the boat. Come on. Something's got to hit it. Oh boy, 15 seconds left. There's a fish. Still another dink. So that's fish number 5. I don't think I'm gonna get another shot at. Nope, that's gonna end it right now. 5 fish for the no scented. All right, let's just hop right into the scented bait. I'm using same style lead head, jig head, quarter ounce, 16th ounce, little jig head, brand new package. Yes. All right, let's see if we can get more of these dinks apparently to bite. Emerald shad, Berkley Gulp. Here we go. And school right below the boat. Bingo. Oh wait, 15:05. Sorry, I forgot the 3, 2, 1 countdown. 15:05, so 25:05 is where we're gonna stop on the GoPro, Davis. Good job. Oh man, right off the bat. Hold it. Right off the bat, number 1. Still dinks. Still dinks. One thing I do not like about these Berkley Gulp minnows, they get tore up real easy. Real easy. I'm not a fan of that. Oh no, he took the bait. Ouch. Did not factor in the fact that these don't stand the hook very well. Probably why they made them that way. Made sure people could buy them over and over again. Half the battle with this challenge is just staying on the school. There he is. Ooh, that took a while for fish number 2. It's very tempting to throw some top water right now. White bass are hitting top water. But we're in the middle of a challenge. There he is. Fish number 3. I'm gonna count it, it was above the gunnel. 3 minutes, yeah, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for this guy. What's it, 5-3 right now, and this thing's losing? The battle's been just getting on these fish. Why can't they be schooled up tight? Why do they gotta be all over the place? Make it hard for my challenge video. There he is. There he is. Fish number 4. Baby crappie. Baby crappie. Big school of shad. That's what all these white bass are hitting on right now. Wow, right away. Fish number 5. They are not big fish at all. What do we got for time? 10 seconds, or yeah, 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Can I get one more? 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I don't know, should I count it? It's a small crappie. I don't think I should count it. I don't know what this proves. I will say one thing. I'm gonna call it a tie, even though I don't like ties. These Berkley Gulp minnows, they do work really well. I've used them in other videos. The one downside to them is they rip apart fairly easily. But I always like having scent on the minnow, so you know, it's kind of like, what do you do? So that's gonna end it for this challenge video. Berkley Powerbait versus Berkley Gulp. I'm gonna call it a tie. Technically, I might have had another fish for the Berkley Gulp. I don't know. 5-5. Appreciate you watching. Oh, so if you have any ideas for challenge videos, I know this one was kind of mainly because I couldn't quite get on the fish. When you can get on the fish, it's great. When you can't get on the fish, these challenge videos are not as great. But if you have any ideas for challenge videos, it doesn't even need to be a scent-based challenge video. If you've got any challenge videos at all, micro lures, weird lures, you know, different stuff like that, post it in the comment section. I do read that, I do respond to it, and I do use them. This was actually suggested to me by a commenter in a different video to do the Berkley Gulp challenge, or the Berkley Gulp with a bunch of different challenges. So yeah, if you have an idea, post it in the comment section, and be sure to like the video. The more likes I see on videos that are challenge related, the more I feel like I should post them, because you guys like watching them. So yeah, be sure to like the video if you like seeing challenge videos. And don't forget, at the end of the video, below the video, there's a red subscribe button. Be sure to click that, and be sure to click the bell. The bell notifies you every time I post a video. You gotta click the bell. Make sure you get notified when I post a video. And at the end of the video, you'll see my face holding a crappie. You can click on that to subscribe as well. We'll see ya. Bye-bye.